ready to share your incredible data insights with the world for free. First, open your Tableau Desktop file containing the dashboard you want to publish now. In the top menu bar, click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Save to Tableau Public. This opens the publishing dialog box. Next, you will be prompted to sign into your Tableau Public account. If you don't have one, you can create a free account. Just follow the prompts to log in or sign up. In the publishing dialog box, give your workbook a descriptive name. Then, it's time to choose your settings. Here you will see the options for privacy, which allows you to choose whether to upload a public or private dashboard. You can then select which sheets or visualizations you wish to share. Either all of them or just the ones you need. The option to show the sheets as tabs is also available. Finally, you may wish to add tags to improve your dashboard's discoverability. Once you are ready, click the Publish button. After publishing, your dashboard will open automatically in your web browser. You can then share your insights with your friends, colleagues, or anyone you choose. And that's how you publish to Tableau Public.